Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to remove the bloatware from your Redmi Note 9 Pro without rooting your device. So, at first I do recommend to uninstall every single application on your phone that you can uninstall. So let's unlock our phone, and here you'll see a folder called applications, and here you'll see some Amazon things. Uninstall it because you can do it without using the ADB or something like that. Apart from that, we can disable the system application that we are not using. So let's open settings. Now let's go straight to the apps section here, and here system app settings. For here, if you are not using, for example, maybe gallery, you are using Xiaomi Cloud, tap that and disable this option. If you don't see it here, you have to go to manage apps and search for this app in this list here. Here, as you can see, we have Xiaomi Cloud, force stop, okay, and you can do it with every single application here that you are not using. For example, Mi Video, Mi Credit, Joyos, Get Apps, Mi Browser, everything. Of course, don't turn on like phone application, message application. Don't turn these things on because you'll have your phone bugged then. Apart from that, we can use the hidden application. We don't have in our phone, but we have to download this application called MIUI Hidden Settings. Let me log into my Play Store now. Now I'm logged into my Play Store at the moment because my phone turned off. Here we have to go to search bar and search for the MIUI. Here if we tap MIUI, it will, I think, be everything. Here, as you can see, we do have MIUI Hidden Settings activity. Let's tap install, and it will take a while, don't worry. It depends on your internet connection. After opening it, you have to select the correct Android version. Here I do have the Android 12. We have to select the Android 12. Or if you have some older version, select the 11. Then we'll have to select the Manage Applications tab and uninstall the application. Here we have to wait a moment. Tap Open. Here we have to tap Consent. Here Get Started. No thanks. Here we have to tap Manage Applications. And here we can uninstall every single application we don't want on our phone. And apart from that, we have the optional advanced method that it's actually useless. I mean, advanced. We're using the ADB to uninstall the bloatware. We can install on our PC the Xiaomi ADB or fastboot tools, enable the USB debugging, and then do some fun to uninstall the application, not uninstall the applications. But let's go back here. Here we have to tap, for example, I don't use digital being. Here we can tap force stop or advanced, and here as you can see we can prohibit everything here, and now everything should be working. Now your phone should be actually faster. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.